Hello everyone, I am Satyendra, mathematics expert and education coach. Warm welcome to all of you from the core of my heart on our YouTube channel Mathematics Learning with Satyendra. Today I want to inform to all of you that I am going to make online videos of mathematics for class 11th, 12th, G-Means and IT Advanced separately. So, I am requesting to all of you, please subscribe our YouTube channel Mathematics Learning with Satyendra so that you can get notification to all videos uploaded by me on this YouTube channel. And share to your friend also so that they can also take benefit of this. And don't forget to comment and likes, because it gives us a big inspiration and motivation to make better video for you and for your brilliant, excellent performance in your examination. Thank you.